Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press that notification bell too, so that you don't miss any of my videos. So without any delay, let's get started. And today, our topic is JavaScript. And in JavaScript, we are going to do the chapter versions. So now we are into from about 5 videos. The next 5 videos of JavaScript will be on versions. So this is a series of versions. So without any delay, let's get started. Oh yeah, dab. So I'll go to Google Chrome over here. Learn JavaScript, and finally versions. So here are all these videos. I will make 5-6 videos. So today we are going to do this chapter first. So JavaScript versions. JavaScript was invented by Brendan Eich in 1995. So JavaScript was invented by a person named Brendan Eich in the year 1995 and became an ECMA standard in 1997. So it was invented in 1995, but it became an ECMA standard after 2 years in 1997. ECMA script is the official name of the language. So we mostly call JavaScript, but if we call JavaScript ECMA script, then it is the same thing. ECMA script and JavaScript are the same things. Okay? ECMA script versions have been abbreviated to ES1, ES2, ES3, ES4, not ES4, ES5 and ES6. Since 2016, so ES6 was launched in 2015, but from 2016, new versions are named by year. So they were named by ECMA 2016, ECMA script 2016, ECMA script 2017, ECMA script 2018. Okay, so they were named like this. So ECMA script editions. So these are the versions. ES1, their official name is ECMA script 1, and this was in 1997, and its description is it was the first edition. Okay, now ES2, its official name is ECMA script 2, and it was launched in 1998, and there were some editorial changes in it. Then we had ES3. So ECMA script, ECMA launched ES3. ES3 was launched. Its official name is ECMA script 3, and it was launched in 1999. It added regular expressions. Okay, so before ES3 we didn't have regular expressions, and it added a try catch. So before ES3 we didn't have these two. Okay, and let's continue. ES4. So ES4 was not mentioned over here, but ES4 is mentioned over here. Its official name is ECMA script 4, and it was never released. That's why only it is not mentioned over here. Then we have ES5, and its official name is ECMA script 5, and it was launched in 2009. So the next version was was launched after 10 years. ES5 was launched after 10 years. Okay, so I think that they must be doing something, but they must be working on ES4, but maybe it was not so successful. That's why they didn't release it, and then they started working on ES5. Okay, so I'm just thinking it may not be true, but I just think that this is true. Don't believe if you don't want to, but that's what I say. Okay, so in ECMS script 5 they added strict mode. So strict mode is very important. They added strict mode. Okay, do check out my strict mode video, and also check out my regular expressions video. They added JSON support. First there was no JSON support, but they added JSON support in ES5. Okay, before ES5 there was no JSON support. They added string.trim. They added array.isArray and added array iteration methods. So all the array iteration methods were added in ES5, and array.isArray is not an iteration method, but it checks if a variable is an array, then it returns true, else it returns false. Okay, so isArray. They added string.trim, they added JSON support, and one of the most important features, they added strict mode. Okay. Then ES6 came, ECMS script 2015 came, its official name, and they added let and constant. So before ES6 we only had like a var keyword, not let and constant, but we have let and constant now. Plus the ES6 was launched after 6 years. After 6 years. Okay, like it was launched in 2015, and the ES5 was launched in 2009, and ES6 was launched after 6 years. Okay, and that is 2015. Okay, so let's see what did it add. It added let and constant, one of the most important. Added default parameter values. So before in functions, whatever that the parameter values, there were no default parameter values. So default parameter value means that if the user does not give the parameter value, then don't take it as undefined. Take it as the default value that you set in the default parameter value that you set. Okay. They added array.find. So this is also a really important method, find. So they added array.find. They added array.find index. Okay, they added array.find index. So these two methods are very important. So in ES6 these all were added. Then we reach ECMS script 2015. 2016. They added exponential operator. So before 2016 we didn't have the exponential operator, and it is very important. The exponential operator is a very important operator. Then they added array.prototype.includes. This is also very important. So we will read about all these added things in later chapters, and I will surely make a video of them. Then we have ECM script 2017, and they added a lot of stuff. They added string padding, they added object.entries, they added object.values, they added async functions, and they added shared memory. So ECM script 2017, these all were added. And finally in ECM script 2018, that is the latest till now, latest version, they added rest and spread properties, They added asynchronous iteration. They added promise.finally, and they gave additions to regular expressions. So they did additions to regular expression. So this tutorial covers every version of JavaScript. The original JavaScript, ES1, ES2 and ES3 from 1997 to 1999, because we read over here that ES1 was launched in 1997, ES2 was launched in 1998 and ES3 was launched in 1999. The first main revision. So ES5 was the first main revision that was launched after 10 years of ES3. Then the second revision was launched after 6 years of the first main revision. The yearly additions were now 2016, 2017 and 2018. Okay. So ES6 was the second revision, and the yearly additions were 2016, 2017 and 2018. So ES6 and ES5 are the most main. Okay, they are the main versions. Then we have browser support. ECM script 1 to 6. So ES1 to ES6 is fully supported in all modern browsers. So all modern browsers support ES1 till ES6. Fully support. So browser support for ES5 2009. So the Chrome browser version 23, the version 23 of Chrome, they supported ES5 from the date November 2012. So they fully supported ES5 in Chrome version 23 and in November 2012. So about after 3 years of its release, after 3 years after it was released. 3 years after release. Then Firefox 21 gave support to ES5 in May 2013. So after 4 years of its release. Then Internet Explorer, so this is Internet Explorer 9 was in Internet Explorer above 9 editions. ES5 was supported from March 2011. Then Internet Explorer /Edge from version 10 were fully supporting ES5, and they fully supported in September 2012 in version 10 of Internet Explorer and Edge. Then in Safari 6, the version 6, in version 6, it fully supported ES5 and they fully supported it on the date July 2012. Then finally Opera version 15 started supporting ES5 and from July 2013. Internet Explorer 9 does not support ECM script 5 ustrict. So it supports ECM script 5, but it does not support the ustrict feature of ECM script 5. So you must be raising a question. The question, why is this ustrict in quotes? So it is in quotes because this was specially made in quotes because the makers of this wanted that the browsers that don't support ustrict will just ignore it as it is a literal. So ustrict is just a string literal, and if ECMScript 5 is not supported in any browser and you have used ustrict in it, then it will the browser will just ignore it because like it is just a string literal. Okay, so now we are on browser support for ES6. So let's see the browser support for ES6. Chrome started supporting it in May 2016 from version 51. Okay, Firefox started supporting ES6 from March 2017. From March 2017, so like after 2 years of its release, from version 52. Then Edge started supporting it in August 2016. In August 2016. Okay, so like after 1 year, yeah, 1 year, and from version 14. Then Safari, from September 2016, it started supporting ES6 from the version 10. And finally, Opera, it started supporting ES6 from June 2016 and from version 38. Internet Explorer does not support ECMScript 2015. So I will just tell you why does Internet Explorer does not support most of the things. So Internet Explorer does not support most of the things because it is a Microsoft browser, web browser. But like they stopped making Internet Explorer. Instead, Microsoft started working on Edge. So Internet Explorer, they stopped making it. From like the latest version of last version of Internet Explorer was Internet Explorer 11. But now it is Microsoft has stopped making Internet Explorer and Microsoft has started making Edge. They have started working on Edge. So they have left Internet Explorer. That's why Internet Explorer does not support most of the things. Browser support. Finally, browser support for ECMScript 2016. Okay, so in Chrome, it was like supported in July 2016 only. So it supported it so fast, like in 2016 only it supported it from the version 52. So over here, it's in ES6, it's supported in version 51, but in like ECMScript 2016, it's supported from version 52. Okay, then Firefox, like it took a year. Firefox took a year to support ECMScript 2016, and it started supporting ECMScript 2016 from the version 54. Then Edge supported ECMScript 2016 in 2016 only, and from version 14. Safari supported ECMScript 2016 in March 2017 and from the version 10.1. Opera supported ECMScript 2016 in August 2016 and from the version 39. And a chapter is finished. So, thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press the notification bell too so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy and keep watching my videos. Please subscribe too.